What's good, YouTube? What's good, people? What's going on? How is everybody doing? I guess you guys are having a wonderful weekend and you had a wonderful trading week, and you're using this weekend to somehow prepare yourselves for the next trading week. This is your boy Harlem, and I'm back with another video. Today's video going to be our weekly outlook for the coming week of, I didn't check the date, but it will still be a Jan. I think it's the third week of Jan. I'm not sure. But before we get any further with the video, don't forget to smash the like button, to subscribe to the channel, to share the video, to comment on the video, and so far most importantly, click on that link in my description to sign up with the broker that I use, Quick Trade. So when we cut things short and get into it, when you look at the structure of the NAS, you can clearly see that price is still in an uptrend, right? Price has created this higher high, right? And price created this higher low, right? And potentially looking forward for possible new higher high. So obviously where price is currently trading at, this rectangle is our major resistance zone that we did lay out, right? If you check out my past videos, you will see and understand, right? So this is the past zone. So where price is currently at right now, we're waiting for two things for the coming week, just to spare you guys some time. Obviously, because price has created that all-time high, now we're waiting to see that obviously from a higher high and a higher low, and where price is currently trading at. Are we going to break above this high? Are we going to break above this zone, looking for a new higher high? Or will price fall breaking above and give us some type of double top and look for the possible reversal on the NAS, and that will be it. So my structure of the NAS stays as it is in my trade idea. I'm looking to be bullish above our higher high and be bearish at fail to break. So if we fall to break above this higher high, looking for new highs, then I guess we'd have to reverse and be bearish. But if we get a break above, then we continue with the momentum and the structure and the behavior of our net off on the NAS and look forward a possible new higher high or that uptrend continuing to the upside. Do you guys get that? Second pair that we're looking at is gold. So gold, I currently don't have a trade idea at the moment, or rather, what I say, I'm just waiting for confirmation because you can tell where price is, right? I'm looking for two things now when I say I'm waiting for confirmation. This is also our major all-time high resistance. This is also our major all-time high resistance zone. So with that being said, I'm waiting for two things. Are we going to get a violation of the zone to look for continuation to the upside? Or will price fall breaking above the zone and look for that move to the downside based on price being strong below our resistance and based on price being weak and based on price being stronger above our resistance? So there's two things that I'm waiting for my confirmation. Are we going to violate our resistance, or are we going to fall to break our resistance? And that will be it. Apart from anything, we won't be executing trades on gold, right? That pair that we're looking at, it's USD CAD. So USD CAD, I also won't say much and chop it up. I also won't chop it up that much. But when you clearly look at the left of USD CAD, price had this possible double top, which led price into creating this lows, right? So obviously from price having this possible double top and price possibly creating this lows that we have marked out right there and price moving to the upside, there's two things that I'm waiting for the coming week, because we have this zone that I have to mark out right there, right? So my confirmation, me having to wait for confirmation, is to see that will price gain more, will price gain further momentum up here, or will price will breaking the zone and move to the downside, and that would be it. Because if I had to explain and add too many confluences, I would be confusing you guys. So prices created this previous double top, which led price into creating this new lows, right? Obviously, from coming back to the zone and having multiple rejections and breaking out and breaking back below and breaking and attempting to break out to end the week, I'm waiting for two things now. I repeat, are we going to get a violation of this highs, or will price fall breaking below the size, fall breaking above the size, and look for a move to the downside, and that will be it. But either way, I'm waiting for confirmation into what I have to do. Will price violate, or will price respect, and that will be it. You guys get that? The other pair that we're looking at is those go up on the test, but stock stays down on the market, right? So Tesla also won't chop it up that much, because you can clearly see that price has been moving to the downside for the whole week, right? So obviously from price moving to the downside like this whole week, I'm waiting for two things now. When I say I'm waiting for confirmation, I'm looking for at least a deeper pullback or a higher low formation and look for continuation to the downside because price has been pushing to the downside. And when price is impulsively moving to the downside, moving with no pullback, we don't have to be taking trades. You don't have to be taking mindless trades on prices still pushing to the downside unless we wait for this pullback or an exhaustion phase and signs that we are looking for what? For the continuation to the downside and look for that move to the downside. And that will be it. Do you guys get that? Last but not least, we're having Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is to be one of the annoying pairs that I can be talking about now on Bitcoin for the coming week because when you can clearly see that Bitcoin hit this breakout and this break back below, right? And this breakout and this retest and this continuation to the upside and price impulsively doing what? Breaking back below this very same zone. So obviously, when you now open your eyes and see the bigger picture on what we might be possibly looking at on Bitcoin, you can clearly see that Bitcoin has been pushing and dropping, pushing and dropping. We are creating those all-time highs, but we're not confirming to us that is this really all-time highs that we're creating because price is just rejecting after creating a high, right? So I don't have a trade idea now because you can clearly see that from the sideways movement, price broke out, broke below, broke out, and broke below again. So what's coming next from now, I just don't know. But all I can leave you guys with is that if we fall to break resistance, we sell. If we break above resistance, we buy. If we fall to break below support, we sell. If we fall to break below our support, we buy. But if we get a break below our support, we sell, and there will be it. Do you guys get that? So this will be my trade idea for the coming week. This will be what I'll be anticipating and what I'll be looking for. Prices respecting zones, prices violating zones. We just follow what pricing is showing us and doing to us. But for many pairs, I can tell that I don't have trade ideas or I'm waiting for confirmations. So when I say wait for confirmation, then it clearly means we need to play the patience game. We need to wait and wait and wait and wait until we get a confirmation into what do we have to do. Are we going to be bullish? Or are we going to be bearish? Or do we just have to stay away from a certain pair? Do you guys get that? So I hope you like the video. I hope you subscribe to the channel. I hope and I pray you comment, you share the video, and that you check out the Day in the Life vlogs that I recently dropped. And you've most importantly, click the links on my description to sign up with the broker that I use, Quick Trade. Or if you want to talk anything Forex, do anything Forex, or just be anything Forex, I'm up for VAP, I'm up for anything. Just click on the link right there for my Instagram account and follow your boy. And most of all, DM your boy so we can talk Forex, do everything Forex. But without further ado, I pray for a wonderful trading week. I pray that we do what's important and that we stay out the lane, and that we do what we're destined to do all the time. Without further ado, it's your boy Harlan.